Hello, my friend. I hope you are all right. And this will be a quick tutorial about the problem you just told me, which happens with DAHDI channels being blocked from time to time. It really happens on analog lines using FXO DAHDI cards. And the problem is from time to time, this will get blocked due to a lack of a sign because we know that it's analog, it's not SIP. So DADI used to translate, let's say this way, uh, analog lines to the SIP world. So as you can see, I don't have any analog lines here to show you, but you will notice that a line is blocked when you core show channels verbose, and this will show you if it was a call for maybe 2 days or 3 or 4 hours here on your analog line. So it means that it is a blocked channel at the DAHDI side. Unfortunately I don't have even a DAHDI line, but I'm going to show you here a couple of tools. In fact, just one single tool, as we talked about. We are going to use Cron tab, and here it is. This is the daemon about DAHDI configurations. So this means that I'm gonna restart DAHDI daemon on a system, so this will not impact your production or even calls happening at the moment. But what we are gonna do is, you told me that you need to do that every day at 7:45 a.m. right? So we are editing Cron tab, the Cron task manager on the Cron tab, and this will be a command to run every day on 7:45. So how can I show you that this is gonna work? Right now we are um, at 5:42 p.m. and how I'm gonna show you this, I'm gonna set this to uh, I'm gonna set this one to 5 or 1744 at the Cron tab. Okay, so let's edit. Okay, and see. Probably this is gonna happen in 30 seconds. And how are we going to know that this is really happening? Let's open up HTOP here. Oh, we don't have HTOP, so let's install it, but probably this is gonna take more than 30 seconds. So we are going to check it out in another way. So let's see date. Oh, it already happened. So let's check it out. I have also installed MailX, which is the command to show me daemons. Take a look at this one, the last one. Okay, restarting DAHDI via systemctl. Okay, so it happened right at this very moment. So it means that our cron is working properly. So again, cron tab -e, and then you set the time for the command /etc/init.d/DAHDI space restart. Okay, so I hope it works, and let me know later if it worked properly for you. Thank you.